lugar sa SRDC, may man sila sa Providence, Iloilo, kag Providence Negros, tahuman ko no?
Pinakatuan, ano?
Kadamo na sa mga matahong nga real estate diri sa Western Visayas, kag madamo naman sa mga kapamilya naton ang naga-invest sa mga duta. Isa sa kilala nga real estate developer diri sa Region 6 amo ang St. Raphael Development Corporation o kun SRDC. So Sir Jonah, please tell us what's new with SRDC.
Okay, there are a lot of things that are new in SRDC. No? We all know that St. Raphael Development Corporation is a real estate company. So one is our Providence Negros, which we want to do a township project. This is a flagship project. This is the first time that we're going to do it. Eventually from a town, hopefully we're putting a city, a 350-hectare project. Then we have a new project also. It's called Palmetto. This Palmetto is a condominium and a townhouse project also. And then eventually, when we want to go to Iloilo, we will have other new projects there and also, some other areas.
Hindi man lahog-lahog ang magbakal sa mga duta, pero ang SRDC may ara sa mga options when it comes sa pagbayad sa inyong napilian nga duta sa ila.
Well, our prices would range right now, from 520,000 and up. Now, when I say 520,000, of course, that is quite low already. And we also provide very low equity. And at times, we also provide a very good financing term. But the usual terms that we give are 5 years, 10 years. You can pay up to as long as 30 years. Now, there are also lots that are priced higher. But of course, it really depends on the target market that we are hitting.
Grabe man ang pag-maintain sa ilang subdivision, ha?
One of the good things about St. Raphael is that we want our subdivisions to be well-maintained until up to the extent that we can. This is a common problem among all subdivisions wherein the maintenance is not of the subdivision is not well done. And so we are putting up a homeowner seed fund. This is something new among subdivisions here in Bacolod and perhaps in Western Visayas.
Kag sa subong may ara sila sang pinakabago nga subdivision sa Negros kag Iloilo, ang Providence Negros kag Providence Iloilo.
There are 3 villages. In fact, this concept in Providence Iloilo will also be done here in Cluster 3, which is one of the subdivisions in Providence Negros. Then we also have another project in Iloilo, as I mentioned a while ago. It's also called Palisad Iloilo.
O ano mga kapamilya, invest na kamo sa inyo balay kag duta diri sa SRDC. And I'm sure mag-enjoy gi kamo sang lifetime convenience para sa inyo nga pamilya.
Okay, to all our kapamilyas, I would like to invite everybody to just visit our projects, believe in our vision. Our vision is to transform lives, to build communities for the greater glory of God. And we always want our projects to to be beautiful in order to bless our homeowners. So you may visit us in our office. It is at ground floor of Prudential Life Building. It's in Lusuriaga Street, Bacolod City. Or you may call 433-7311.